Hey there, thanks a lot for visiting my profile. I'm Aklilu, founder of Ahadu Architects and an architectural designer and CAD expert with over 8 years of hand-on experience in drafting and permit documentation. Are you looking for someone who can prepare complete permit sets, accurate construction drawings, or even bring your ideas to life with beautiful interior and exterior renderings, including realistic walkthrough videos? If that sounds like what you need, then I would really love to talk about your project. Over the years, I've worked on projects of all sizes, from small residential homes to large commercial developments, using every version of AutoCAD, Revit, and Chief Architect for drafting, and Lumion plus 3D Max for rendering and animation. What clients appreciate most about my work is I bring studio-level quality professional work standards to every project on Upwork. Also, my attention to detail, clear communication, and commitment to delivering results that go beyond expectations of the clients. That's also why my profile is filled with consistent 5-star feedback. Let's have a quick chat about your next project. I'm always happy to discuss ideas and find the best solution for you. Thanks again for stopping by, and I look forward to connecting soon.